Good morning. Today early morning I have taken bath and feeling really fresh about it, and the heat is also more, that is why also I took bath. And while reading today's Tribune newspaper, one article has come about the philosophical or the spiritual being or God. How does science regard God as? And religion would define it in different ways. And basically here, what science says about this is uh, just like the food for our thought. Our physical body requires food, and similarly, the brain also, our mind also needs some food. So this is like the food for thought. It is defined that it is a subjective quality of experience what makes consciousness means uh, science defines God as the consciousness which is there inside our mind, and it is a subjective means not directly but indirectly we tend to experience that God feeling, and science has defined it as consciousness. It also raises another intriguing question: is consciousness a single or permanent entity? So, I will share this writing together with this video so that you all can also understand it nicely. What I liked some of the lines, I'm reading it. Consciousness is constantly moving from one experience to another. It is not fixed thing but an ongoing process. So the entity of God in our life is in science it is described as an experience which is continuous and from one experience to another one. Evidence suggests that consciousness emerges from coordinated activity, means many activity togetherly creates the God feeling in us. And then again, others insist that consciousness is unique to biological brain and cannot arise in machines. So even if lots of artificial intelligence has come, and in coming future also the probability is there, but the consciousness or God feeling cannot be created in machines. Lastly, another nice line which I want to share: we understand far more about consciousness today than we did a century ago. Yet the deepest question remains unanswered. How does the activity of brain produce the rich subjective experience of being alive? What does life mean? Being alive means. Until that question is answered, consciousness will remain not only the science's greatest mysteries but also one of humanity's most enduring philosophical puzzles. So little bit of comparison between the traditional religious thinking and modern scientific thinking has coincided, but not totally. Lot of work has to be done before that.